Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, y'all. I cannot believe I cut my hair. I'm still a snack. However, I've already applied my foundation, my eyeshadow, eyebrows, eyeliner. So let's go ahead and get into this highlighting contouring. I'm gonna start with my LA GIRLPRO concealer, and this never wants to come out, probably because I'm running out, guys. I don't know, probably because. But anywho, I am beginning at the ends or edges of my nose, and I'm going to take it all the way out underneath to the ends of where my eye kind of stops. Now I'm going to do the bridge of my nose, applying some of that, and then I'm going to go and finish up with my forehead, then my chin, and in with my Cupid's bow, and just kind of cleaning up the lines underneath my cheekbone area. Y'all don't mind me. I was singing Cardi B when I was getting ready. I'm sorry, when I was recording. And I love my turn up music. Sometimes I can't apply it to my videos, but my turn up music was real. Look at me, y'all. So ashamed. Now I'm just going to begin to blend that out. I like to blend out the areas where I primarily begin my highlighting, and then I apply my contour. So that's what I'm doing now with my Eco tool. And y'all gotta mind me, I don't know if I sound kind of sick right now, but my sinuses and allergies right now, and I had an allergic reaction, so excuse the voice, guys. Okay, so now I'm applying my contour underneath my cheekbone areas, and I'm just pressing the makeup into my skin to make it very flawless and natural looking. And I'm also giving you guys that good kissy sucky face to kind of help me know where to apply and clean up my areas. And then I'm applying under my chin area and my forehead area just to bring it more natural and blend it in more with my hairline. And then now I'm gonna go in to the edges or bridges of my nose and just applying a little light contour to my nose. Not too much, because your girl loves her nice nose, honey. Oh, don't be a hater. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm going to contour my nose now. And then now I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more for my cheekbone areas with my flat edge brush. I love this brush. And then I'm going to blend out the rest of my contour as well. Now I'm going under my cheekbone areas, kind of like I kind of explained to you guys in the earlier bit. to highlight those areas, but I go in after I contour to kind of also clean it up too, so that I don't have to double work myself or smudge it too much as I'm blending. Okay, now I am so excited. I'm using my SACHA Buttercup, and I'm running out of that too, y'all. It's time to re-up on this makeup for real. But I'm going in now, and I'm going to apply it to my highlighting areas, and this is going to allow me to, quote-unquote, after I'm done, bake. And I like to call this baking powder, honey, because when I beat, honey, I made a beautiful cake, honey. So, but I'm applying that to my areas of my highlight. And I just apply it lightly because it kind of helps me give a natural, flawless finish. I don't want to be too excessive. Reserving on my product as well, y'all. A little cheap, but it's okay. So I'm doing that also in my chin area. And then I like to go around my mouth a little. And then I also do my temple areas too. My nose, under my cheekbone areas, and also my forehead. Now I'm blending it out using my, Black Radiance finishing powder, and this is in the color Milk Chocolate, and I love this as well. And it was, oh my gosh, y'all, so cheap, y'all. Got it from the good Wally Mart. But I'm using this to kind of brush away all the baking powders, quote unquote, shall I say, for my SACHA Buttercup. And applying this also makes it more natural, leaving a good undertone, and just taking away any ashy look that may have been left behind with my translucent powder. Okay, boo, so that is all of that. I'm going to apply my Maybelline highlighter off camera and finish off with my lip gloss. If you would like to see how I've completed my lip gloss and how I made it look so Leah and 90s, just leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, even comment down below anything that you may have liked from this video, what you may have seen, or any ideas that you have, guys. I'll get into this cake that has been baked and beat, honey, and now it's finished, honey. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon, guys. See you soon.